Aismalibar is a manufacturer of copper-clad laminates who produces high-quality base materials for the PCB industry. The company has over 60 years' experience in producing laminates for the PCB industry and has more than 15 years' experience producing thermal management base materials, METAL CCL, heavy copper laminate and CEM1 and CEM3. Aismalibar was founded by Walter Ankley in 1934 and started producing copper-clad laminates for printed circuits in 1958. It was the first company in the world to launch a CEM1 lead-free base material and was the CEM1 and CEM3 worldwide leader for many years. In 1998, Aismalibar launched their IMS and thermal management product line. Since 2011, it has been part of the BENMAYORS Group. Located in Barcelona, it continuously invests in industry-leading manufacturing equipment to keep up with the changing demands of the industry. These efforts have been recognized with leading certifications such as ISO TS 16949-2009, ISO 9001, VDE, UL, among others. The factory has a capacity of 500,000 square meters per year for COBRITHERM, 800,000 square meters for bonding sheets, and 2 million square meters for COBRISOL. Aismalibar is a full-cycle company capable of developing resin technologies, special and unique coating processes, impregnation, and performing high-pressure lamination before cutting and beveling the finished product. By doing all this in-house, we can offer fast and flexible service to customers and OEMs. We implement a 100% proof test from 1 to 3000 volts to all IMS laminates produced in their facility. This process is also known as a high pot test. Performing this test is the only way to ensure that the dielectric strength is perfect throughout the entire laminate. By completing this test before shipping, we can help manufacturers avoid future problems that are difficult to detect during PCB production. We offer a 100% insulation guarantee to end-user customers. Aismalibar is fully committed to research, development and innovation in both manufacturing and customer service. We are constantly introducing new products and technologies to the market, and it has been recognized as an industry leader for high-end laminates in Europe and across the world. Aismalibar produces a full range of FR4 for double and multi-layer PCBs, CEM1 and CEM3 lead-free, a full range of IMS for single and multi-layer and flexible IMS. COBRITHERM is a qualified and recognized IMS which provides superior thermal management through high thermal conductivity, low thermal impedance, and high dielectric capacity. These qualities produce an exceptional solution for thermal dissipation. We offer OEMs integrated solutions in LED, power supplies, telecommunications, automotive, and home appliances. Aismalibar, base materials for PCB and MPCB.